Hi, my name is Miss Heidi, and for today's craft, we're making paper plate clocks. The supplies we need for this craft are glue, paper plate, a brad, scissors, construction paper. I picked blue and red, and some different color crayons. You can choose any colors you want. First, we're going to take the paper plate, and you're going to need an adult to help you, and we're going to make a hole in it right in the center, and then we're going to cut the blue paper in a circle for the face. And then you'll also need to cut a hole in the blue paper and line it up. And then you're going to take the red paper and make arrows, one long arrow and then one shorter. And then the brad will go through the short one first, and then the long one. And then it'll go through the face, the paper, blue paper, and then we'll stick it into the paper plate. And then just push down like that. And then we're gonna make the numbers. And start with 12 up here, and you might have to press hard to get the numbers to show. And the 11. And then I'm going to make the smile. I'm going to give him a really big smile. And then his eyes. And I'm going to color his eyes in. I like how that looks better. And then, because he's a New Year's clock, we're going to make a party hat for him. So I cut out a triangle or a hat, and I'm gonna, I cut some strips from the blue to make it look more festive, and then I'm gonna like put polka dots to kind of make it look more like a party hat. And I'm just gonna put the blue glue on the bottom and kind of just sprinkle these, kind of wherever they land. And you can do more or less, or make the hat any way you want. Grab some of the extra and try to get it to stay down. And then I'm just gonna draw some polka dots. And you can make the party hat look however you want. Okay, oh, I'm gonna put one more here, and then I'm gonna shake off the excess, just kind of wipe it up, and then I'm gonna glue it down, and it'll probably take a minute to stick. Some more of that, because we have to glue it different. So it looks festive. And that is our paper plate clock. Hope you enjoyed today's craft. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.